Be honest, how many times a day do you reach for your phone? Just to scroll, escape, or feel something? How many times have you said, "I'll stop tomorrow," but tomorrow never came? We all have our addictions. Some chase nicotine, some chase validation, some chase endless dopamine from social media, games, or even people. It's not always drugs or alcohol. Sometimes the addiction is invisible, hidden behind screens, comfort, or fake productivity. Every morning we say we'll do better, but by night we're back in the same loop, scrolling, escaping, and hating ourselves for it. But here's the truth. Addiction is not just about what you consume, it's about what consumes you. Imagine your life as a garden. Every moment you feed your addiction, you water the weeds instead of the flowers. And one day, you wake up, surrounded by thorns, wondering where your dreams went. Breaking free isn't easy, but it's simple. Start small. Delete one app that drains your time. Go one day without the habit that's killing your focus. Replace it with something that grows you, a book, a workout, a walk in silence. Because freedom doesn't start when the addiction ends. It starts the moment you decide you deserve better. So ask yourself right now, what's controlling me? What am I afraid to let go of? And if I don't change now, what will my life look like 1 year from today? You're not weak for having addictions. You're powerful for fighting them. But that fight starts today, not tomorrow. Make this the day you take your power back, because the world doesn't need another person lost in distraction. It needs you, fully alive, focused, and free. If you're ready to rebuild your focus and your freedom, subscribe now, because this journey doesn't end here. It starts here.